Hi everyone, today we will discuss on the Nagios macros. So let's proceed on Nagios macros. So what are macros? In Nagios, macros are special variables that hold dynamic values and are used to provide context specific information within various configuration files and commands. Macros are expanded by Nagios at runtime, allowing you are asked to customize and parameterize your monitoring setup. They play a crucial role in defining flexible and reusable configuration. Key points about Nagios macros. Macro format. Macros in Nagios are denoted by a $sign followed by the macro name. For example, hostname $hostname represents the macro for the hostname, and $service desk dollar represents the macro for the service description. Macro types. Nagios provides several types of macros that represent different pieces of information related to host, services, notification, and more. Some commonly used macros include host macros such as host name, host state, host address, host alias; service macros, service desk, service state, service output, service puff data, etc. Notification macros, notification type, notification author, and notification comments. So these are the key point about Nagios macros. And more about Nagios macro is about macro expansion and macro uses. For macro expansion, Nagios expands macros by replacing them with their corresponding values at runtime. The actual values of macro depends on the context in which they are used. For example, the macro $hostname would be expanded to the actual host name of the monitored host. So as we discussed that macros are just like dynamic variables, they get replaced with the actual name of the host which we are monitoring. Macro usage. Macros can be used in various Nagios configuration files, commands, event handlers, notifications, and plugins. They allow us to dynamically include information specific to the monitored object or the event being processed. Macros are typically used within command definition, service, or host templates, and notification configuration to customize the behavior and the content based on the context. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.